Apitor Robot Bear. It is a great set for ages 3 plus smaller kids. The package contains a robot bear, an user guide, and an alphabet map. This is a map designed for the robot to travel on. It also helps kids learn the 26 letters of the English alphabet. Each letter is paired with a unique animal, making it a fun adventure in literacy, wildlife discovery, and introductory coding. Robot Bear features buttons with forward, reverse. Each press moves the robot one square on the map. Press the turn right or turn left button to make the robot rotate 90 degrees in place. The red one is clear button. Short press to clear the last command, or long press for 3 seconds to clear all commands. The yellow one is the action button. It stores 3 demo routines and will play one at random with a short press. Start or pause button. The button is what you press after you've entered your commands. You can switch between start and pause anytime. Now let's install the batteries. You will need 3 AA batteries and a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the battery compartment door. Insert batteries as indicated inside the compartment. Replace compartment door and secure it with a screw. Alright, short press the power button to turn on. Here's our challenge. We're setting off from the letter K, the koala, right there. Our destination? The letter U, where a unicorn waits. Here's the path. Start by going forward to steps. Then, take a turn to the right. From there, walk forward to more steps. And you've made it to the destination. Let's tap that in. Forward, forward, turn right. Forward, forward. Press the green button to start your robot bear on its journey. Mission complete. Great job! Don't know how to code? Check out the example we've prepared for you. It's in the action button. And it's really fun. Let's first clear our previous commands. Press and hold the clear button for 3 seconds. Press the action start button. And let's see what happens. The robot bear's path seems to trace a lying down number 2. You can also check out the other 2 programs.